So here we have a set of do-it-yourself roof racks made from common materials and bolted right through the top of this car. Does a great job of holding up canoes and kayaks and other stuff you might want to install. Very simple to make, easy to do it yourself project. Get a piece of wood for the base and get mouse pads. So you get a mouse pad to sit between the piece of wood and the roof of the car, and using silicone rubber go all the way around. A trick is this thing has to be cut precise. So there's an angle here that has to be cut just right so the two bars will sit parallel, and you can see that they're pretty close to being perfectly parallel. So get that angle right and it's going to work. And one important thing we haven't quite got to, we're going to do next, is this hole has to be filled in. Because if it isn't filled in, rainwater can collect in here and then tend to dribble down inside into the car, which you don't want. So to get this on the top of the car, you just drill a hole right through, and I'll show that in a second here. Right through. Just cut a square hole, and then the bolt goes right through into the car rack up above. So be sure and use this kept nut style that has a special insert into the nut. This will keep the nut from coming loose and maybe having it fall off, which you wouldn't want. And use nice big washers. Get the load distributed across the roof of the car. And we got 4 holes drilled into the car for the 4 points of the roof rack. Very excellent craftsmanship went into this. And if you're going to carry heavy loads, you can always use a bigger piece of wood and get more strength.